welcome everyone. So already we completed the chapter how to use a mouse. So let's start the exercise. So first we'll start with fill in the blanks. So here you can see that some hints are there. So we have to use these hints only and we have to fill the blanks. So first question is that to select an object, click dash button of the mouse. So you have to write here left. To select an object, click left button of the mouse. When you move the mouse, a pointer will move on the screen. So answer will be pointer. Keep the mouse properly on mouse pad. Always we should keep our mouse on mouse pad. Now we need to write true and false. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. Question number 1. Mouse has 4 buttons. So we know that mouse has 3 buttons. So they said that mouse has 4 buttons. So it will be false. Very good. So here we will write F. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Hold the mouse with first finger. So we need to hold the mouse with first finger. So it will be true. Now just go to the next page. Question number 3. Click the left mouse button to select an object. So it will be true. Question number 4. Always keep your mouse on the mouse pad. So it will also true. So here we will write T. Now match the followings. So we have to draw the lines like this. So question number 1 is already done for you. Click left button to select an object. 2. Move pointer. So if we move the pointer, it will move the mouse. Yeah, definitely. Wheel at the center. That is known as scroll wheel. Very good. Okay, now left and right button. So answer will be mouse buttons. Okay, now very interesting. Just you can say it's just like a game. Find the path to take the computer mouse to the mouse pad. Here you can see one mouse pad is here, one mouse is there. So we need to just find a path that mouse can place to the mouse pad. We can just place this mouse on the mouse pad. So you can see I found a path. So I just draw the line like this. So from here, so you can see this is the path that I found. So you can search another path also, but I think that is the easiest path. If you can find more path, you can draw it, no problem is there. So this is the path that I found. If you find more path, so you can draw like this. Okay, now come to the next page. So here you can see, look at the picture of the mouse and label its buttons. So here you can see that some blank boxes are there. So this is, so you can see this is scroll wheel. So you need to just mark like this is scroll wheel. Now next, this is right button and this is left button. So you have to write their names. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. How will you open a file using mouse? So here you can see I wrote that answer. To open a file using mouse, we need to point the mouse towards the file and double click the left mouse button. So it will be the answer. Now question number 2. Name different mouse buttons. So different mouse buttons are right buttons and left button. Okay, right button and left button. Now come to the multiple choice questions or MCQs. So question number 1, keep your mouse on keyboard, monitor, mousepad or none of this. So it will be mousepad. Very good. Now question number 2, bring the mouse near the thing that you want to select and drag, right click, click or none of this. So after that click. So answer will be click. Now question number 3, how many buttons a mouse has? 1 or 2, 2 or 3, 4 or 5, none of this. So answer will be 2 or 3. So today we completed the chapter and the exercise. So next day we will come with a new exercise and new chapter. Thank you.